So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to go to box again. And again, it's asking us where we want to draw. I'm just going to select that plane, okay? And again, we're going to click on the origin. And again, it asks us to give it a dimension. So supposing you had a rectangle which was 25, well, let's say it was 100 millimeters in this direction. Oops. And then just 25 in that direction, okay? Press return. Now hold down shift in your wheel just so you can see what's going on. We can drag this up, okay? Or we could just type it in here. Maybe it's 75 tall. Press return. Again, we've done a box. Let's select all that, delete it, and show you again. So X and Y. You can see up here you've got your X, your Y, and your Z. So if you want to keep in that particular XY plane, you can easily see here which plane it needs to be. And you can view it front on, so you're working kind of in line. So you're looking directly down on your sheet. And let's do something else. Let's press this corner, okay? And let's go 100 in that direction, 50 in that direction. Press return. Now, you can see this box comes up now. We've already told it it's 50 by 100. We can change that in here. Maybe it's 70, and maybe that is 150. We can also add our height, so maybe that's 25. Okay. So this will be familiar from Tinkercad, a kind of box where you type in your dimensions. It really doesn't matter how you choose to do it. You can just draw it roughly. You can just type in the dimension, or you can add it to this box when it comes up. Okay. It achieves the same thing. It gives you a standard box, and that's how you would draw a cube or a box. Okay, so that is your first box done. And a cylinder, if we click on cylinder, it works the same way. You get your XY position. You choose an origin basically where you want to draw it. Again, we can snap to the origin. Let's just view it on. Actually, let's view it here just so we can see what's happening. And now it will ask you for your radius of your cylinder. Yep, so maybe that's 60. And we give it a height, maybe 75. Okay. And that's a cylinder. So what else is there? We have a sphere. A sphere. The plane isn't that crucial really on a sphere. It doesn't really matter because it's a sphere. So let's click on origin, and all it wants is one dimension. There you go. It's a ball. It's a sphere, whatever. So there's not really that much you can do with that. It is what it is. Torus. A torus is a funny one. When you look at it originally, you think, well, what will I use that for? But it does have its uses because it's so adjustable. So you can set your internal diameter. Set your internal diameter like that, and you can set the what we call a torus diameter, which is how thick it is. Basically, people call them donuts. Yeah. Again, I'll show you the workflow people use in general, because these boxes, cylinders, spheres, they do come in useful, but myself and others I know don't tend to draw from boxes and cylinders like you do in Tinkercad. In Fusion, it works more like something like Inventor. And I'll show you what we do now in the next chapter.